Okay, how many numbers can be formed? So if you see here, the number is greater than 500, less than 1000. If you see this question, coins are there. The coins are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 in a box. You have to frame, okay, you have to frame a number between 500 and 1000, but excluding 500 and 1000. Okay, so the number should be 5012 999. The number should be 5012 999. Okay, so it is very clear. MSB bit should be, okay, the hundreds place bit should be either 5 or 6 or 8. Only then the condition will be satisfied. Only then condition will be satisfied. This is the hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. So we are having in the box 5, 6, 8. Okay, that's why I'm writing 5 or 6 or 8. In the box we have only these coins, and then the numbers that can be formed in this range. In this range, okay, can be done only if you take the coins I mentioned. Okay, and now the first digit should be either 5, 6, 8. 3 possibilities are there. So remaining, if one is used, one coin is used, remaining totally we are having 7 coins. Totally we are having 7 coins. So 1 coin is used in the first position. 6 coins are remaining, so we can use them in the second position, any 1 coin. And that also completed means remaining 5 coins are there. So the third digit can be one of the 5 coins. Okay, so what can be done? 3 possibilities in the first bit, 6 possibilities in the second bit, and 5 possibilities in the third bit. So the answer is 3 into 6 into 5, 90 is the answer. 90 ways, okay, to form a number between 5012 999 out of the given coins, using the given coins. Number should be between 5012 999, that is the condition. Okay, 90 chances are there. I am going to next problem. A television show was attended by 12 well-known celebrities. Each one of them shook hands with each other once at the beginning of the show. Okay, only one time they have given shake hand. Find the number of handshakes that took place on the show. 12 people are there. For handshake, 2 people are required. So 12C2. 12C2 is the combination because they have done it one time. Okay, because they have done it one time, we have to take only 12C2. 12C2. So 12 factorial by 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 factorial into 2 factorial. If you calculate, the answer is becoming 66. If they are doing handshake 2 times, then 66 plus 66. At the beginning and at the ending, if it is mentioned, then 66 plus 66. It is mentioned only once. Okay, it is only mentioned only once. At the beginning of the show, they have taken handshake. So it is 12C2, answer is 66. I am going to next problem. Arrange the letters of the word darker so that the 2 vowels do not appear together. In how many ways can this be done? Okay, here vowels are present, A, E, 2 vowels are there. Okay, we know how to form the words if vowels to be together. Here vowels should not appear together. First we will find if vowels are together what to do. Okay, so A, E are the vowels. We will put them together. Then remaining letters are D, R, K, R. D, R, K, R. Okay, this we will take it as 1 letter, and this we will take it as 4 letters. So totally 5 letters, 5 factorial ways. R is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. R is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. This is the case when vowels are together. Into the vowels can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. Vowels can be arranged together among themselves in 2 factorial ways. This is when vowels come together. This procedure we already know. This procedure we already know. Now the formula is, if you see, now the formula is vowels not together means what are the total ways minus vowels together. What I have calculated by the side is vowels together. Now total ways means here we are having 6 letters. Total ways means here we are having 6 letters. How many ways we can arrange them? 6 factorial. R is repeated 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial. R is repeated 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial should come. So total ways are 360. Total ways are 360. Now calculation of vowels together. Calculation of vowels together. Already we know that. Okay, already we know that Now in the yellow color also I have written the same vowels together. Okay, already we know the procedure, the same. Okay, it's written here. 5 letters means 5 factorial. R is repeated means divided by 2 factorial. Vowels among themselves, it is 2 factorial. Value is coming 120. Okay. In the question, it is asked vowels not together. Vowels not together. So what is the logic? Total number of ways minus vowels together. Total number of ways already we got 360 minus vowels together we got 120. So the final answer is 240. Final answer is 240. Okay. So just the calculations, factorial means you know what to do. That calculations I am just skipping out. Okay. And based on this, our answer is 240. Completed this. Next problem. There are 20 stops for the local trains running between Churchgate and Virar. It may be Delhi or Mumbai, I think, Churchgate and Virar. There are 20 stops. A passenger is traveling between 2 stops, any 2 stops. Okay. So he has to buy a ticket. How many types of tickets the train, okay, the railway department should be made ready? Okay, how many types of tickets they should be kept ready for the passenger? He may be traveling from Churchgate to Virar or Virar to Churchgate. Okay, that is not mentioned. 2 different things are there. Okay, here he is moving from one station to other station. So he is traveling between any 2 stations. Total stations are 20. He may travel between any 2 stations. So 20 C2 is the possibility. 20 C2 is the possibility. And we don't know, we are calculating this for one way. For the other way, tickets will be different. If you travel from Coimbatore to Karunya Nagar, ticket will be different. Karunya Nagar to Coimbatore, that tickets are different. Okay. So forward direction tickets are different, backward direction tickets are different. So in one direction, it is 20 C2. If you calculate the value 20 C2, it is coming out 190. This is in one direction. If we move in the opposite direction, tickets are separate. We need separate tickets when we move in the other direction. So again, one more 190 we have to add. Okay, we need another 190 types of tickets for the ticket collector, okay, or for the railway department to distribute, so that in the other direction also the person may travel from any station to any one station out of the total 20 stations. So the answer is 380, 190 plus 190. I am going to the next problem. Ravi's teacher asked him to make 5-digit numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such that each number begins with 13. Each number should begin with 13. Okay, 5 digits are there and none of the digits should be repeated. So already 1 and 3 are used. Now only 3 more digits are left, 2, 4 and 5, 3 more digits. You can form them, you can put them in these 3 positions. How many ways you can do it? 3 factorial ways. How many ways you can do it? 3 factorial ways. Only then 5-digit numbers are formed. Okay, so this is the thing. So 3 factorial is the answer. 3 into 2 means 6. Answer is option C. Okay, now I am going to the next problem. This is the last slide. I will just put it here. Okay, this is the last slide. A question needs the student to arrange the letters rumor in different ways. How many possible ways are there? Okay, 6 letters are there in total. We can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. Because U is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial 1 time. Okay, denominator we have to put 2 factorial because U is repeated. R is also repeated, so we have to put 1 more time 2 factorial in the denominator. Okay, 6 factorial means total letters 6. So 6 different ways. U is repeated 2 times. If it is repeated 3 times, denominator we have to put 3 factorial. If it is repeated 4 times, denominator we have to put 4 factorial. Okay, this is the answer. We are getting 180 after calculation. Option C is the correct answer. Last problem. You have to use the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 and without repeating the digits, form 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 5. 3-digit numbers divisible by 5 means last position should be 5. Remaining 2 positions positions are there. 5 is already used. We are left out with remaining 5 letters. Remaining 5 letters are there. 2 positions are left out. We are supposed to frame 3-digit numbers. We are supposed to frame 3-digit numbers. Number should be divisible by 5. So the last digit I am putting 5. Okay, 3-digit numbers. So other 2 digits are empty. We are left out with 5 more letters. Okay, so 5C2 is the 5C1. The first position, 5 letters possibility is there. Any position you take, tens place or hundreds place, tens place or hundreds place, 5 digits are there. So 5C1. If 1 digit is occupied, the other play position can be filled with 4 digits available with 1 digit. Okay, 4C1. You can fill the hundreds place first. Okay, you have 5 digits, so 5C1, 1 letter is gone. Now you can come to tens place, 4 letters are there, so 4C1, you can fill 1 letter here. So 3-digit number is formed. Otherwise, you can fill the tens place first, 5C1 here, then 4C1 here. If you multiply 5C1 means 5, 4C1 means 4. Okay, according to the formula, NCR n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. So r factorial I will write over here. And we have one more formula, NC1 is nothing but n. Value of NC1 is n. Okay, so that way 5 into 4, the answer is 20. This is about the problems in permutations and combinations. Permutations and combinations. With this, we will stop permutations and combinations.